In this lecture, we are going to learn about map layout. What is map layout actually and why we need map layout as a GIS specialist? Map layout means present your final GIS project output to those people who don't know about GIS and they don't have any GIS software. For this purpose, we need to export this final GIS project output as a common format which is available to anyone. It could be JPG format, it could be PDF format. So you can't find anyone who does not know about JPG, who can't use JPG or PDF image. So this is a common format actually. So map layout means exporting your final GIS project as a common format following some informative layout. Yes, an informative layout, which layout contains some informative items. Without this, we can't consider this layout as a map layout. Say, in here, we have created a wonderful GIS project by using our USA state, USA city and South Dakota. We have used wonderful symbologies, labels. Now we are going to present this, say, in a PowerPoint presentation for which we need to export this as a JPG so that we can add it in our PowerPoint slide or we can share to those people who don't have any GIS software. For this purpose, we can export this as a JPG. It will look like this. But is it map layout? No. Say, this is USA map. Say you have created a GIS project in a remote area. So how any pupil will understand what does your map mean? What is the title of this map? Which side is the north? What is the scale of this map? What do these colors mean? For this purpose, we should include some informative item in this layout. By watching this, anyone can understand what is the map is actually by watching the map title and what does this color mean and what is the scale and where is the north side. So if we export this map in this layout, it could be considered as a map layout. Why? Because if we share this informative layout of our map to anyone, he will understand very easily. This is the map of USA state by watching this title. This is the north arrow. And what does this color mean? This color means Pacific subregion by watching this legend. And here is the scale, another informative item. So map layout means exporting your GIS project in a common format following an informative layout which contains some informative items like this. This is known as map layout. It could be JPG format, it could be PDF format, which is commonly used to anyone. And when we are going to create map layout, obviously we should know about this informative item. There are many informative items we can add in our map layout, but there are 6 mandatory basic items in our map layout. If we leave any one of these, our map layout can't be considered as map layout. So we can't ignore any one of these items. Let's see what are those 6 basic and mandatory informative items of map layout. Number 1 is map title. Number 2 is obviously our map. Without this map, how we can consider this as a map layout if we don't have the map in our layout? So number 2 is map. And number 3 is north arrow. Number 4, scale, presenting the scale of this map. Number 5, legend, indicating the color and symbology of these layers. And number 6 is map page, in where all of these items exist. So these are the 6 basic items of our map layout. If we miss any one of these items, our map layout can't be considered as map layout. Beside of this, we can add more items in our map layout, but these 6 are the basic and mandatory items for our map layout. Say we can add attribute table, company logo, description, many more, but we can't ignore any one of these items. In ArcGIS Pro, we can easily create map layout by using this map. But it is some kind of different than our ArcMap software. So if this is your first time in ArcGIS Pro and you are searching where is the map layout, don't be scared. This is very easy to add map layout in ArcGIS Pro. All we need to know just some steps, which is very easy. I will show you in the next lecture.